I'm Kevin Coleman, and I met Keith Washburn.
Yes, sir.
Who is an upcoming judge for the municipal court.
Yes, sir.
Now, I understand you are not in the office yet.
That's correct. I take office February 3rd.
Okay, and this is for Judge Tony Eddy, who retired.
Yes, sir. That's correct.
So her seat is sitting empty for the moment?
Yes. There's an acting judge who's been appointed by the Supreme Court to fill in until February 3rd.
Okay. Now, you were with the Chillicothe Police Department?
I spent 25 years with the Chillicothe Police Department. I retired, went to work as an assistant prosecutor in Jackson, Ohio, and then I went to work as a staff attorney for the Fraternal Order of Police.
All right. So it's not that you haven't had any duties similar to a judge. You know your law.
Correct.
So how did you become nominated for the office?
The Republican Party here sent names to the governor's office. I was one of the fortunate ones whose name was sent. We went through an interview process and ultimately selected by the governor's staff to fill the seat.
Okay. How will your experience as a police officer inform your judgeship?
I think one of the things that I bring that's different from a lot of attorneys is I've seen everything from the ground level. I've been the first responder on anything from a parking ticket to a homicide. I've collected evidence in all those different cases. So I think just knowing what happens on the streets to bring that to the courtroom, I think that gives me a little bit of an advantage.
How many judges are in the municipal court?
There are two.
So you would be the second?
Correct.
Okay. Any other thoughts on the position?
When I first went to law school, it was something I thought, that'll be the pinnacle of my career. But I never thought that it would happen just because of the timing. And fortunately, God put me in the right spot, and the governor ultimately chose me. So here we are.
All right. And what will your duties be as a municipal court judge?
I will handle all the misdemeanor crimes that come through the court. The felonies, we handle preliminary hearings, and then civil cases under $15,000.
Probably a lot of drug cases?
Probably a lot of drug cases, domestic violence, DUI, a lot of traffic cases.
How does the municipal court system fit into the, city versus county? Does the city have any county judges now?
We have common pleas judges. There are two common pleas judges and one probate juvenile judge. So the felonies would come through municipal court, or they would be directly indicted by the grand jury. If they come through the municipal court, we would hold a preliminary hearing to see if there's probable cause to bound that over to the common pleas court.
All right. I'm mixing things up. Are there any city courts?
No.
Or municipal feels that?
The municipal court in Ross County, it's countywide. It covers all of Ross County. But it's called the Chillicothe Municipal Court, but it covers all of Ross County.
Okay. All right, so when will you take the oath?
The oath is January 31st at 1 o'clock.
All right. Any other thoughts?
No. I'm excited. Can't wait to get started, and I hope to make a positive impact on our community.
All right. Future Judge Washburn, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.